Hello guys, Sam here. So in this video we're gonna take a quick look of the Fiil CC. Last time I did a video about Fiil CC and I promised to buy one. Turns out I bought this one. This is the newest earbuds from Fiil. It's Fiil T1XS. So let's get started. In this, just for the record, in this video is going to be a really simple unboxing video. That's it. I'm not going to do an in-depth review like the audio test, you know, the core test, you know, that kind of thing. So if you do have those questions or you want me to test, just leave a comment below, or what kind of a test you want to know, just leave a comment below, you know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Sammy Tech Tips. Now you know it's really late. Anyway, okay, so this is the box, and it has it comes with a pouch. Okay, I guess it's a free pouch for the earbuds. Okay, anyway, let's just unbox it. All right, I will change the camera position. All right, guys, welcome back. I changed the table also. So that's the package of the Fiil T1XS. So it looks okay, not you know, astonishing, amazing, but it's okay. So this is the front. We got two, you know, earbuds, and on it we can see two wireless in-ear headphone, and this Bluetooth logo, and this Fiil T1XS. The art of audio, that's their slogan. Actually, one thing that this Fiil company separates from other Chinese manufacturers is, you know, the always print, you know, added this kind of English subtitles on it. Though the English translation is not that good, but at least, you know, it has, right? So it got some highlights on the side. So this quick link and a faster charge, and this is 24 hours battery life, and this IPX5, and it is a pass IEC 6 blah blah blah. Anyway, it's sort of standard, I guess. So this is the back. We can even see more detailed highlights. Two wireless stereo Bluetooth, so real wireless, reliable connection. Okay, I don't know it's Bluetooth 5.1 or 5.0. They didn't specify that. And 2 times mic ENC, so environmental noise cancellation. During course of the core, quality should be good. I will test that in later videos, so subscribe, guys. 2 times faster charge, long duration music and talk time. Okay, and this IPX5 waterproofing. Also we got low latency mode and customizable EQ. Okay, game video. Okay, that's good. That's great. That's great. You can customize your EQ. So if you don't like the default, you know, style, you just can change in the app. We'll, you know, check out that later. Fiil plus apps. It comes with the app. So on the app, you choose the battery level, EQs, and more. Okay, that's it. So this is something like company information. So yeah, not important. Let's just open it. Oh yeah. Dun, 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 dun. It's not too tight. Wow. So that's the Fiil T1XS. Okay, let's just put it aside. Just the foam, nothing in it. And we see a manual. So this is like a quick guide. Okay, that's great. It is English on the back. Let me check English first. Okay, I guess the English is not perfect, but yeah, it's readable. And we got a manual, a very detailed manual. The manual is okay. The manual is only in Chinese. And what else? The Type-C cable, 3 pair of ear tips. Like this one is really small, right? Fits my torch, I guess. That's all in the box. Ooh, baby, it feels good. The case is obviously made of plastic, but it feels like not like plastic. It feels really smooth. And there's a Type C on the back. Okay, let's just open it. Open. Whoa, nice. That's really nice. It's kind of like a magnetic. Okay, anyway, let's just take this thing out. Okay, that is the T1XS. It's flashing, I guess. It's pairing. Okay, it looks for pairing. This makes me really think of Transmart Onyx 3. the look almost the same size, you know. The design is almost the same too. Anyway, okay, I will just connect to my phone. Okay, that's it. My phone is in English now. It's okay to. Anyway, I will just go ahead. I guess you have to turn your Bluetooth on. And let's go to the Bluetooth settings. Find your Fiil T1X here. So it's already here now. So I just click. So just click. Pair with, of course, pair. Okay, current device supports AACC codec. However, AACC may fail to play sound due to compatibility issues. Your device switch to SBC code automatically. You can change this in the settings. Okay, so it's connected, and you can see the indicator on both earbuds were turned off. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna listen to some music. Okay, see a song. You hear anything? Alright guys, so I have listened for a couple minutes, and the sound quality is not bad. It sounds like really clear, and you know, it doesn't have this kind of thick bass, but you know, serviceable. The music has okay. Of course, I will do an in-depth video later. I'm gonna shake. Whoa, it falls off. Yeah, that's the one problem with it. I kind of feel like it's kind of loose and not fit my ear perfectly. So I don't know if it's, maybe I have to change the ear tips. I don't know. But yeah, so far so good. So yeah, that's the unboxing of this video. Yeah, like I said, it's really simple unboxing video, and for the in-depth video I will do one on eBay. So stay subscribed. I'm Sammy. See you next time.